another thing called, and you got a clog garbage disposal. What you would do is, over inside the sink, you will pull the rubber flap out, right? And I'm gonna grab the bar. If you got a bar or something stiff, you put it down in there, just rotate it to the left and to the right to loosen up the blade. You loosen up the blade so it turns, loosen up the blade, and once you do that, it'll clear whatever's stopped up in there to go down once you clear the blade. And the reset button for the garbage disposal on this particular one is right here. And you mash that and you reset it. In the switch, you cut it on, make sure you run it. And that's how you install a garbage disposal. Some of the switches sit on the bottom of the garbage disposal. This particular one here is on the side. And then you put it back in. But all in all, if you have any question or anything, you always can call the leasing office and talk to maintenance, and we'll get you squared away. Thank you. And that's it.